The Armoured variant of the Poco F1 comes in a regular Poco package. First you get the documentation, a TPU case as well as 9V 2A power adapter that will give you a quick charge 3.0 speeds as well as the USB Type-C cable and SIM ejector pin. The Armoured variant is available only in the highest 8+256GB variant and commands a 1000 rupee premium over the regular 8+256GB variant that retails at Rs 28,999. Even the Armoured edition will cost just under 30k rupees at 29,999. That makes this phone really good value for money. The Armoured variant makes use of an authentic Kevlar sourced directly from DuPont USA, and while it's not bulletproof like bulletproof vests made from Kevlar, the difference in quality is clearly evident when you compare it to the other models of Poco F1. The back gives a lot of grip and won't slide across a table or surface even if you apply a bit of force. There's also a small stub below the Poco by Xiaomi logo. As with other variants, you get Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 and the Poco launcher enabled. That's it for the quick unboxing of the Armoured Edition Poco F1. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other videos on the same. See you in the next one.